Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating an Android Studio app in Kotlin and immediately add Room, SQLite FTS, and Work Manager dependencies so storage and background work are ready. Next, you convert your source dictionary into a normalized CSV or JSON with headword, definition, part of speech, and metadata. This makes parsing deterministic. Once done, define room entities and a full-text search virtual table. Make sure to add indices on headword for instant lookups and a mapper to transform raw data into entities. You implement room DAOs that expose exact match, prefix, and ranked FTS queries because search flexibility is critical. Then create a repository that wraps DAOs and uses coroutines to keep database operations off the main thread. This ensures a responsive UI. Once done, write a work manager or coroutine worker import task that parses your CSV/JSON into entities and commits in batches to conserve memory and ensure progress. Make sure to omit progress. You now build the front end. A search bar with debounced input, suggestion list driven by repository queries, and a detail view that lazy loads heavy fields and audio on demand. Once done, decide packaging. Pre-bundle a compressed DB and assets or ship initial JSON and import. Provide incremental delta updates to avoid full redownloads. If things go wrong, check logs for import errors, validate room migrations, and confirm FTS tokenizer and normalization rules. Match your language so searches return expected results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.